Today's video, don't put eggs in microwave. Okay, this is what happened to me. My whole face got burnt and stuff. This part. All my skin came off. Like this part. Okay, this happened like last year. We ain't had like gas or anything, so I put we got gas now, it's fine. I put eggs in a microwave to boil them, cause that's the only thing was to eat up in this house. It was messed up. I should have never did that. After a few minutes, I took them out. I think I put them on like 3 minutes. A few minutes, I took them out. They just like, I put one, I had like 4 of them. 4 eggs. I put one, pick them up, pick one up in my spoon, then one of them explode in my face. Then the other 3 exploded too, only one survived. Then my face was like burning as hell. It was going to be pictures at the end. Y'all can see how my face was looked. So I called my mama. I had to put my mama told me I had to put Vaseline around my face. I did help a little bit, but I didn't go to the hospital right away. I went to the next day. My friend David, he told me to go to the hospital, so I went. Then I had my rag was like right here. Everything else right here was all fine, but right here by my right there was like really hurting. I can't do pain. I can't. So I had this stuff I forgot the name of it. It was some stuff for burns. I put it on my face. And stuff, so it helped a little bit, but the next day it stopped burning. The next day it stopped burning. Then it was that burn was like on 10. It was really hurting. I put the picture on Facebook, and everybody asked me what happened, so I told them and stuff. Then the next day I went to the hospital. They keep on asking me the same questions. They ask you the same questions because they want to see what had happened to an accident or somebody did that to you. That's why I was like, think around 4 people asked me, 4 nurses and the doctor asked me that. Wait, 3 nurses and 1 doctor asked me. It was a lady doctor who asked me. Then it was asked me what happened and stuff. So I told them. Then it was they gave me a prescription. I went up there. I ain't had no money. I had to wait to have money to get my medicine. Good thing I went to Aldi's. not all this, I mean Walgreens to show them my prescription. And that prescription, they did it. They said it cost too much. Then this lady behind the counter, she showed me one is more what you call it, cheaper. Then I got my money. I went back up there and got it. Then I bought this other, you know how you could get your color back in your skin. I bought that, but it was way different. That one like was burning. It was in a jar. It called cocoa butter. It was in the jar, like a big jar. That was burning. I told Mama that was burning. I think that was not the right one. I got the really one was really one. I'll show you. Okay. See? This right here. This is what I got for put my color back in. It works, see? Got my color back in. You look up close, it's kind of like a little bit, like, I don't know, like around here or something. But at least I got my color back. It's like right here, skin coming off right there. I don't know, I forgot it was on this side or this side. I forgot, but stay off topic, but we moving, yay. We have to wait till March because my brother, he said he didn't have damn money. We told you since last year we was moving. Then we told you again like 2 months ago we was moving. And think we was playing? No. Cause we ready to get out of here. And stuff, so. Okay. Love you. Make sure y'all subscribe. If y'all like this video. And oh, if y'all something happened bad to you by accident, something, do a comment below. Okay.